With a few pumps, dispense our ClearShave 3-in-1 formula. Apply over your jaw, neck, and lower cheek area. No water is needed. Using a straight edge or electric razor, get a close, comfortable, and smooth shave. No need to rinse. Simply massage the healthy botanicals and clean ingredients into your skin for uber moisture. A natural toner, it will prevent ingrown hairs. Next, squeeze a small amount of 911 eye gel onto your finger and gently tap around your eyelids and under eye area. Don't press hard. A light touch is best. Cooling like a mini ice pack, you will look rejuvenated and well-rested. Next, use our vegan-formulated Urban Camouflage Concealer to cover any blemishes on your neck or face, as well as dark circles under your eyes now that the 911 eye gel has set. Choose a shade that best matches your skin tone. From light to sand to deep, there are 6 skin tone true shades. Apply with a light touch, blending out the edges into the surrounding skin with a finger to ensure a natural look. Next, smooth Power Hydrator Plus over your face, neck, and any area where you want sun protection. The super lightweight tinted formula hydrates and protects with SPF 30, leaving no white residue. Should you wish to knock out shine altogether, sweep our HDPV anti-shine powder across your skin for a uniform matte finish. Finally, apply our SPF 15 lip balm agent for nourishment and total sun protection.